Do you think you know how the mind works? Think again. There are a lot of psychology facts people believe that just aren't true. Some are popular because of movies or social media. But today, we're clearing things up. Here are 7 psychology myths you probably thought were true until now. Number 1. We only use 10% of our brain. Many people think we only use 10% of our brain, and that the rest is just sitting there unused. But modern brain scans prove this is false. We actually use almost every part of our brain, even when we're sleeping or doing something simple. Different tasks activate different regions, and your whole brain stays busy throughout the day. This myth likely started from a misquoted scientist or a catchy headline, but it's not backed by science. The truth? Your brain is already working hard, just not all in one place at once. Number 2. Left-brained equals logical, right-brained equals creative. You've probably heard that logical people are left-brained and creative ones are right-brained. It sounds neat and simple, but the brain isn't that black and white. Both sides of the brain work together for most things. Even when you're solving math or painting a picture, both hemispheres are active and communicating. So, you're not just one type of thinker, your brain is a team. Number 3. People learn better based on their learning style. You might think you're a visual learner or auditory learner and that you learn best that way. But studies show there's no strong scientific proof that learning styles improve how much we remember. People may prefer one way, but combining methods like seeing, hearing, and doing often works better. What really matters is how well the material is taught, not just the style. So don't limit yourself to one way, try using more than one method to boost learning. Number 4. Memory works like a video recorder. Many people believe memory works like a camera recording everything perfectly. But our memories are not exact copies of what happened. They're influenced by emotions, past experiences, and even what people tell us. We often change small details without realizing it, and sometimes, we remember things that never even happened. Memory is more like a puzzle that we piece together. Each time we remember, we rebuild it slightly. Number 5. Mental illness means you're weak. Some still believe that people with depression or anxiety are weak or lazy. But mental illness is not a weakness, it's a medical condition. Just like you wouldn't judge someone for having asthma or diabetes, we shouldn't judge people for having mental health struggles. It takes real courage to admit you're struggling and even more to seek help. Mental strength isn't about always feeling okay, it's about knowing when to get support. Number 6. Opposites attract. Opposites attract sounds romantic, but it doesn't always work that way. In reality, people with similar interests, values, and goals tend to have more successful relationships. Sure, differences can be exciting, but too many of them often lead to conflict. Shared understanding builds stronger emotional connection and teamwork. So while some opposites might click, long-term harmony often comes from similarity. Number 7. Hypnosis is mind control. Movies make hypnosis look like it turns people into robots, but that's not true. Hypnosis is actually a deep, relaxed focus like daydreaming. You can't be forced to do something you truly don't want to do. It's used in therapy to reduce pain, stress, and anxiety, not to control people. During hypnosis, you're always aware and in control, just in a more focused state of mind. Psychology is full of cool facts, but not all of them are true. The more we learn, the better we understand ourselves and others. Don't fall for myths, ask questions and explore the truth.